Welcome back to MK Sports Cars. I've got a little video here to show you all about the Dax Rush we have for sale. As you can see, it's in an absolutely beautiful blue colour. It looks quite black in some lights, but I'm hoping this sunshine is going to pick up some of the colour for you. A Gen 1 Suzuki Hayabusa engine. Absolutely beautiful engine in this car. For its age, 2007, it looks absolutely sublime. It's been very well looked after, meticulously cleaned and polished. The gentleman who built it has decided to move on to a different style of vehicle. I think he's moving away from motorcycle engines, but the car drives absolutely amazingly. It's smooth as silk and it's bloody rapid, absolutely incredible. It's been protected with the clear film over most of the panels of the nose cone and over the rear arches. Got beautiful team dynamic wheels. It's got the RAC approved roll bar, gas adjustable shocks. We'll move into finer technical details now. We've got the Quaife inline reverse box, which works bloody brilliantly. It doesn't have the jerk of the electric motors that you get in majority of the bike engine cars. It's smooth as silk to use. The Dax chassis has got what's called camber compensation. The front end of the car, basically as you turn, the front geometry will adapt to keep more of a contact patch of the tyre as you turn, which makes the car feel like an inboard suspension car. It feels so much more planted. You don't get any of the front end dive as you turn. It feels really nice to drive. As you can see, it's got the Dax plate on there, which is quite nice. Just modernises the car a little bit, so you've not got sort of an age-related looking plate on there. Really nice touch. You've got Gen 1 Hayabusa clocks with a little GI Pro gear indicator, which makes life so much more simple. Got ball horn, gear change, a little Momo steering wheel. The car might be a 2007, but it feels so much newer than that. It's nicely set up for the taller driver. The seats are fixed. We've tried some other seats in there as well, so it is possible to change the seating in there, but much better for sort of a slender 6'2" driver. Probably be absolutely spot on for them. So as I said, this car is for sale. It's located at the factory at the moment. The price is, please don't let the age of the car fool you. It drives like a modern chassis. It drives like it was built yesterday. It is genuinely beautiful to drive. Had you have blindfolded me and put in this car, I would have told you it was a much more modern chassis. It is really nice to drive. The clutch is smooth as silk. It doesn't have like a jerky pull away, which a lot of the motorcycle engine cars have. It has been really well built, really well built. So Lewis and I have done a video on this car. We'll put the link up for that one up there. Again, I've enjoyed driving this car even in 2-degree weather, though I am going to go home and hug a hot water bottle like a child. So the car, as I said, is located at the factory. If you wanted to come down, book an appointment with us to come and see it, let us know. We'll get you scheduled in. Weather depending, especially in the cold, we'll take you for a drive, show you what it's like, and we'll move from there. Well, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed